Happy holidays! I am so excited to be doing a holiday hair tutorial here today, and I actually already also have a holiday makeup look for this look right here, so you can always check out that video as well before or after. But yeah, I'm quite excited to do this look today because it not only features a very pretty headband, but also I am using the Conair Unbound, which is from London Drugs, and it's basically a cordless curler. So I am really excited to show you guys how this all works and how to get this look. I feel like a princess. I mean, okay, so headbands are everywhere. I don't know if they're gonna be sold out or not at Zara, but if you can't find it there, they're all over the place. I know Simon's had a bunch the other day too, so I'm sure you can find one if you're looking for a little statement piece. It's beautiful. Okay, so I didn't want to just leave it at that for my hair. I actually wanted to curl it, and I have a very exciting new tool that I'm going to be using today to do that. So this is the Conair Unbound. So this is a cordless auto curler. So I was always obsessed with the Conair Infinity Pro Curl Secret. I don't know if you guys ever remember that, but it basically sucked in your hair and it curled it and it came out. I was obsessed with it. I still have it. I still use it. This is basically like the newest version of that is also cordless, which is really cool. And I did get a chance to see it in action at the LD Beauty event earlier this year. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like, nice and compact. You actually charge it using a USB, which is cool. So that means you can even charge it in your car, which is great for those people that are always like on the way to an event and still doing their makeup and stuff. So you're running to your holiday party and you still need it, just charge it in your car. You can choose your temperature as well. It can go up to 400 degrees. And you can also choose the curl direction, which is neat. So depending on which side you're doing it on, or if you want to like have it alternate, you can control all of that here. So I've just turned it on using the button right here. And I can see it's set to 360 right now, which I think will be just fine. And I already gave it a good charge for it. It says 4.5 hours for the first time. So I've already gone ahead and done that. So now we're just gonna let it heat up. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this on the screen here, but I can circle through and change the direction left or right for the curls. I can also choose the time. So I've got it on 12 seconds right now. And we'll see how that does. Otherwise I can adjust that too. And then, yeah, the last little symbol on the bottom there is just showing that it's heating up right now. Also, just as a little bonus, you can see how enclosed it is here. That's a nice little benefit for those of you that are constantly burning yourselves with their curling irons. Yes, you know who you are. I've never been one of those people, but I also don't use curling irons. That's probably why. Because I have my curl secret, which also is very hard to burn yourself with. So, nice thing with this, it's nice and enclosed. Don't have to worry about burning yourself. Okay, it just beeped, so that means we are ready to go. So it says to take 1-inch sections, and I did just put my hair with the headband already just because I figured it'd be easier for me to like see where I want the curls to be, if that makes sense. And then you're just gonna feed it in there. And then I didn't get to press this button right here. Okay, wait for the beep. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! That is impressive. Wow. Obviously I'm gonna brush these out later, but wow. What a curl. Woo! It's hard to do when looking at it backwards. So you do need to hold down the button. I figured that much out. There we go. Oh my god! Look how bouncy they are. Oh, that's so much fun. There we go. There it goes. Oh my god. That's so cool. There we go. So bouncy. Now I'm just gonna tuck that behind my ears, and then just gonna brush through the curls. So there we go, that's the final look once I brushed out the curls. Doesn't that look great? So I ended up switching to the mixed function so that the curls went back and forth, and that way I didn't really need to like try and keep track as much. And yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. So in terms of the juice, I had used this just like did a test curl the other day quickly. And I guess also with like the filming time now, it took a little longer, so I actually ran out of juice before I finished my last 2 curls. But I think if I was, you know, had fully charged it and then just went boom right into curling, it would have been just the perfect amount of time to get around my head. And I also have longer hair too, right? So if you have shorter hair, obviously it wouldn't have been a problem at all. But you do have to be a little quick with it. But yeah, I'm super impressed how it turned out. It was really, really easy to use. Again, like compared to the Curl Secret, definitely I had to step up in terms of usability. It even comes with a little heat-proof bag here, so you can literally do your hair in the car, stick it in here afterwards, and you don't have to worry about burning a hole in your car seat, which is probably for the best. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have tried out the Conair Unbound, I'd love to hear what you think, and happy holidays!